that font tutorial from 2023? Yeah, forget about it. Because this time you're gonna learn how to download free fonts like a champ. Alright, step 1. Head over to your set web browser and type in DaFont. Make sure to spell DaFont right or you'll end up getting results like this. Once you search it up, DaFont should have a red icon with a D in the middle of it. And the subtitle should say Archive of Freely Downloadable Fonts. Click on the site and you'll be greeted by DaFont's homepage. All the fonts you want in the palm of your hand. Now I need you to listen up because this was the exact part that was stumping a lot of people. We have many font themes to choose from, but in this tutorial, we'll focus on calligraphy. Click on your font theme, in this case calligraphy, and you'll soon be given fonts to choose from. After finding the font you like, select download, and your device will ask you, do you want to download your font name? Click on download and your font will be sent to your device. Now we're going to access our files. Swipe out of the browser and click on your files. On iOS, it'll look blue while on Android, it'll look yellow. Click on your files app and make sure you're in the downloads category. Soon you'll see your font name under a zip file. A zip file is like a container. In order to access the files inside, you need to open it. Click on the zip file and soon you'll see a folder of your preferred font. When you click on the file, you'll most likely see the terms and conditions, the font file, as well as the preview of what the font will look like. Now, before you come for me and say that these clips are not heavily edited, I purposely did that and slowed these clips down so that everyone can see how to import their fonts onto their favorite apps. When I previously made that short font tutorial, I really just made it for fun. I was only 13. I didn't know better, and plus my mom was looking at my comment section and told me that I should upload a font tutorial since so many people were asking questions. It was almost to the point where people were saying that my short font tutorial was a scam, and it really wasn't. I was just following what my mother, who is also my business partner and my mentor and my everything, said. She read my comments and told me, hey Zari, you should make a font tutorial since so many people are asking questions about it. And that I did. I just really didn't expect so many people to see it and so many people to suddenly ask questions around 2025. But we really hope that these slowdown clips actually help you on how to import fonts into certain apps. Enjoyed the tutorial? Subscribe and tell us in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.